Hello everyone, welcome again, Sam Performance. Today we have another unique project. It's a 2024 Nissan R35 Nismo. Car is purely brand new, has only 1,000 kilometers on it, installed completely Alpha 7 kit on it, and it's running on pure pump gas 98. We set up 3 maps for it: low boost, high boost, and valley mode. So let me show you on the graph what the car did on pump gas. Like the customer requested us, he wants the torque to be linear on the car, not spiking straight. So we did low boost, 20 psi. Car makes 654 on the wheels and 596 foot-pound of torque. And map 2, which is his like race mode or the high power map, 685 and 672 foot-pound of torque. Stock turbo, stock engine, we just programmed the TCM, which is the transmission. And car is very healthy, super happy, and this can be like even used for track days. Follow us for more videos and stay tuned.